Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Chevy Tahoe LT. This four-wheel drive SUV has 27,937 miles on it, which is actually over 10,000 miles below market average. This Tahoe comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, our back tinted windows, and 20 by 9 inch polished aluminum wheels. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system with our tan leather seating. As you can see, we do have leather seating throughout the entire vehicle with an entertainment system for the family and even a sunroof. Now when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, our heated seating, our front collision alert, and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.